Hi minasan konnichiwa. Today, from my perspective as a Japanese citizen, I would like to share with you some actions to avoid during your stay in Japan. Let's get started. 1. Making noise on trains. In Japan, it's not common to make a lot of noise while using public transportation. It's perfectly fine to chat, but avoid being overly loud or playing music at a high volume. Instead, entertain yourself quietly with your smartphone. 2. Littering. Even in large cities like Tokyo, trash cans are scarce due to past anti-terrorism measures. Despite this, littering is highly discouraged. Hold on to your trash until you find a bin or take it back to your hotel. Trash cans can usually be found at convenience stores and train stations. 3. Eating on trains. In general, eating on the train is frowned upon in Japan. Consuming strong-smelling foods like burgers or fries is especially discouraged as it can be bothersome to other passengers. Drinking water is acceptable, but avoid alcohol. However, eating and drinking are permitted on high-speed trains like the Shinkansen. 4. Not removing your shoes indoors. In Japan, it's customary to remove your shoes when entering a home or certain facilities. This tradition is rooted in maintaining cleanliness. At tourist spots, it can be confusing as some places require you to remove your shoes while others don't. Typically, if there's a step up and a place to put your shoes, or if the floor is wooden, you should remove your shoes. When unsure, observe what others are doing. 5. Smoking while walking. In many areas in Japan, smoking while walking is prohibited. If caught, you may be stopped by the police, leading to unnecessary complications. However, it's perfectly acceptable to drink alcohol in public areas. 6. Crossing on a red light. In Japan, adherence to traffic signals is taken very seriously. Even if there's no traffic, wait until the light turns green to cross the street. Traffic signals usually change within a minute or two. 7. Not lining up. Japanese culture places a strong emphasis on forming lines in public settings, such as waiting for a train. Ensure to follow this norm and line up when required. 8. Opening someone else's fridge. If you're invited to a Japanese friend's house for a meal, do not open the fridge without asking for permission first. The fridge is considered a private space by many Japanese people. 9. Sticking chopsticks in rice. When dining at a Japanese friend's house, never stick your chopsticks upright in rice. This action is considered disrespectful as it resembles a ritual performed at funerals. 10. Speaking only in English, even for greetings. While not exactly a prohibition, it's good manners to attempt some basic Japanese greetings. Even if you're not fluent in Japanese, a simple konnichiwa, hello, or sumimasen, excuse me, can go a long way. Not all Japanese are comfortable with English, so making an effort to greet in Japanese can leave a positive impression. That's it for today, folks. I hope these tips help you to navigate your journey in Japan respectfully and effectively. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more cultural tips.